Hi there and welcome to day 13 of the EdTech Advent Calendar, and for today's video we're going to be looking at Padlet. As always, there'll be a bit of a brief overview, then we'll have a look in more detail at what Padlet is, and then I'll just give you some examples of how it can be used. So first off with the overview, essentially what it is, it's an electronic notice board. The thing I like about it is it's very versatile and you can put lots of different things on there. So just imagine, if you will, you've got a notice board, but you can stick text on there, images on there, videos on there, drawings on there, links to websites on there. There's lots of different things you'll see in a moment, lots of different things you can be adding, and also what your students can be adding. And personally, I do think it's a breath of fresh air, and it's probably the best thing since sliced bread in terms of learning technologies that I've seen anyway, just because of its versatility. So here's kind of what it looks like on three different devices. And what you've got here is a contribution. Somebody's added something here, someone's added a video here, something's been added here, and it's quite simple to use. Here's the wall or the Padlet or the notice board, and the students can come along and just double click on the icon to add content. So what can they add? If they want to, they can upload a file, and any file types is compatible with any file type. If they want to link to a website, they can also do that. They can search for images, videos, and GIFs and more using this option. If they wanted to add a picture from their camera, they could do. They could capture some video from their webcam as well. They can record the voice, as I'm doing now. They can draw, they can add a map location, and they could also link to another Padlet as well. So yeah, quite a lot of options for what you could get students to be uploading. So here's how to use it. Of course, you could be using it to add content, but I would say it's better to get students to be using Padlet in a collaborative nature. So here are some options. You could get them to submit some images, and again, think about your subject, think about what you're teaching, and think about whether or not anything of what I'm saying could be applicable. It'd be great for submitting any non-assessed work so they can check what others are doing and see that if they're getting it right and learn from others. Maybe they could use it to brainstorm a topic, introduce them to a topic. Maybe they could post their research findings around a topic. Perhaps they could submit answers and also check with their peers to see if they're getting things right or if they're on the right path or in the right direction. Potentially, if they're doing presentations, you could get them to submit a video. Maybe you could get them to take a video of something around the centre or somewhere in town, something related to your subject. And also, you can submit voice recordings. So I'd just advise, if you've not used Padlet before, give it a go, get your students to use it and see how they feel about it. If you need any more help, just contact the Learning Technologies team. I know it's a very short video, that's all we've got time for, but thanks for watching. There'll be another video tomorrow, and again, please feel free to spread the word.